go first, bro. I'll keep watch.
I just don't know how we're gonna get back out.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I think you can climb up, right? If you can climb down, we can climb up, right?
Just not trying to drop my bag all the way down. Yeah, we can.
Wrapped around that.
We can definitely get back up.
You take my bag. Oh.
Hold on.
Here.
Hold on, I'll let you know when I got it for sure. I got it.
Is this stand?
Yeah, yeah. This and yeah.
Hell yeah! Try to get to like a unit.
The bathroom thing.
Oh, yo, that's cool.
That is pretty cool. A bunch of safes. Oh, there's still shit in here.
Yeah, there's hella shit in here.
All the transportation files.
2009, I see. Salem. It's like 08, 09. Everything's like 08, 09.
Watch there not be stairs to like get upstairs. No way, right? Damn.
Wow. That looks like a fucking petri dish. City of Detroit Informational Technical Services Compliance Center.
Here's the stairs over here. Yeah, fuck it. Oh, look at this sign or this poster.
Bunch of cassette tapes. Bro, 2011. About to say 100. This says capacity 105. There's no way 105 people would live in there.
This is crazy, bro.
Smells like food. What do you smell?
Something.
This looks fun, Robbie.
Oh, the elevator has like stuff hanging up in it still.
Oh, there's everything in this place. They didn't take anything out.
Environmental report, state
The
air.
report is trash, but like, look at this one. That's crazy. It's like they made it. It's like it used to be like a factory because like these big ass poles, and then they just like made it into.
It used to be a tobacco factory when it first opened.
Yeah, and they just made it into like an office.
This is where I'd always be looking in at.
Yeah, that's just wide open.
Damn.
First tab you see, look.
Not for real, and it's fucking UR.
Looks like
There's a fucking.
a freight elevator. What? Guitar Hero drum pad? What the fuck?
More stairs. Damn, I'm surprised there's not like a car in here or something.
There's a big ass forklift. That shit looks new. This shit's creepy, bro.
It is.
This feels like a Goodwill or like a thrift store.
This thing is huge.
Bro, this is a big ass printer, yeah. This is a metal, look.
Oh, it's still.
Detroit Senior Olympics 25th.
That's kind of heat.
That is kind of heat, bro. Only if it wasn't the Senior Olympics.
There's just shit, literally,
Why are there safes
everywhere in
I
this
don't understand.
bitch. Why are there cold fridge, like huge cold storages?
Yeah, what the fuck was there food here? I don't understand. Tiles? They put tiles in the fridge?
Are these all full of toner still? Yeah, this isn't even open.
That's crazy. Dude.
Oh. More keyboards and shit. They like use these for...
Wow, that is crazy. This shit looks like it got like everyone stole shit from it or something.
Yeah, definitely people ran. There's another GoPro box. They must have had GoPros.
That's like
in
the
here.
original, bro.
Yeah.
It's not even like GoPro 2, it's just GoPro 1.
There's probably a GoPro laying on the ground somewhere in this bitch. There's one right here too.
Is there anything? It says Sony on it, bro. I think there used to be cameras.
Yeah, that's pretty light.
Bro!
Detroit police car.
2015?
Report. Junk collector pins from 3/18 from 2018.
Dude, okay, like I feel like I'm trying to feel like this place was like closed, but then they still kept it open and just started dumping random shit in here. There's like hella Newports and shit.
Do you want to take these stairs? What?
There's somebody outside. I thought I saw them. Alright, let's go.
Do you want to take those stairs then?
What the fuck? That looks like the apocalypse.
Holy fucking shit.
Dude, this is Tweaker Hangout, bro. Tweaker Hangout. I think did you read it to the next floor? I think this is like something special.
Yeah, this is like some...
Like a balcony or something. Limit of 2. Look, I saw at the bottom there, right? It said clothing boutique. It's like a clothing store. Look, notice there's limited 2 outfits per person. They were selling clothes in here?
Yeah, I mean, look at all the hangers.
What the fuck?
I don't know how good
Remember,
this floor is.
The free clothing program is based upon sharing. There are others in need. Please only take what you need.
You must have ID for clothing.
Free clothing program. Interesting. It's like a homeless. This is like a homeless shelter, maybe.
The fuck?
This is not the. Is this the whole bathroom?
It's warm now.
The whole entire. This floor is just a men's bathroom. God. Yeah, they really did scrap the fuck out of this.
The roof door should be wide open.
I hope so.
Recently, for sure. I'm just trying to see if there's anything on any of these. They all just look pretty fucking blown out. Really?
I think that's where they're keeping things that are going to the fire department.
No, you good.
I guess everyone is really blessed.
Someone fucking tweaked out and
I was gonna say, that's crazy, bro.
They had to get in there that bad.
And there's probably nothing. Like, they probably did all that shit to lose nothing.
More printer jet shit.
It's just empty.
Seems like that's what most of these are.
Microsoft Excel classes. It's a classroom.
Stress management, workplace, violence. Yeah, this shit is probably gonna get sealed again fast as fuck. Same shit.
Think we should look? Fuck it, let's do it. Fuck it, let's do it.
Okay.
Parenting is for a lifetime.
This is crazy.
March Parenting Awareness Month. What is that? Parenting awareness? Like people don't know about parenting? What?
Alright, the GoPro died, but we're back.
They said no one can know what these documents say. Let's look at every floor. We missed the second floor, so it might be a lot.
It might be this.
Labor department? Fuck.
This is so weird. This just goes up again into like nothing. Law department. This couch is cooked.
Yeah, I mean, there's like all these zero graffiti. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's fucked up, but it's just like, just fucked up. Like,
Why is there so much shit?
flooded as fuck.
Damn. I think you can still walk on it.
Look. Oh my god, you're deep.
Like the real question is, this shit's stable, bro. Just walk along the side, bro. You're good. Like it's the deepest after the ladder is the deepest, bro.
Yeah, I just got cloth shoes on.
I like vinyl, so I got a little more protection.
Oh, my foot's already soaked.
Bro.
Huh?
I don't know. Should I move a chair for you?
Yeah, it's just shitty. My foot's gonna get fucking wet regardless. Just fucking walking in it. Fuck it. Yeah, mine are like
Cloth, bro. Like we made a cloth. Damn, you think it's gonna look different with the back of the Ren Center demolished? Bro, you could see like a lot of Windsor too. Like everything to the left of Windsor, you can see like Caesars and shit.
what hospital?
Highland Park.
Who?
The guy that we were in the fucking Zoom call with.
All right, so I'm about to go back inside, and then we're gonna try and go. Oh my god, we're gonna try and go live on YouTube. And yeah, so you can probably find the rest of this video as a live stream, but yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, the stairs.
This is actually a cool shot, I can't lie.
It really is that the small TVs are still in there. They're never. No, you can take a pic. Can you just shine your flashlight at them for a second? Oh, and like the elevator shit.
That's really cool.
I do too. I'm trying to figure out where I can.
I'll pass it up to you when you get up.
I got it. You got it, bro.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, me too, bro. When we first found the opening, I was like, bro, are we really about to go in through this tweaker ass? That shit is like, I don't know.